欢迎来到我的频道 Welcome to my channel. As you could read from the title, this video is for very beginners. In this video, I will tell you 12 sentences or phrases that will for sure kickstart your Chinese learning journey. Let's start. I will going to pronounce the sentences and you will have the text right here translated in English. 你好，你好。你好，你好 is the common way to greet someone, no matter for the first time or you already know each other. We always use 你好. It is a formal way. An informal way is 您好，您好，您好。早上好，早上好。早上好 is 3 words. When in the morning, exactly you see your neighbors or you go to work, you could say 早上好, good morning, good morning. 再见, 再见. 再见 is a formal or informal way when we say to each other, we leave. 再见. We could also say 拜拜, bye bye. In Chinese, we also use the bye bye. 谢谢, 谢谢. 谢谢 means thank you. You could also say thank you very much is 非常感谢，非常感谢。非常 is very. 感谢 is the same as 谢谢。Thank you, thank you. 非常感谢 Thank you very much. 请，请。请 means please. Sit down, please. 请坐，请坐。您请 You first. Then we have 抱歉，抱歉。Excuse me. 抱歉 excuse me. 抱歉，请问邮局怎么走 Excuse me, where is the post office? For example, when you visit China, you would ask some directions, information. You could approach someone, ask, Excuse me, could you please tell me where is the train station? 抱歉，请问您可以告诉我车站怎么走吗？你咋样 means how are you? How are you? 你咋样？你咋样 or 你怎么样？你怎么样 means how are you? We not always say 你好吗 but we understand what means. It depends on which situation you use. Usually with Chinese people, we know each other very well, or you are all my friends. Okay, maybe I could say 你好吗But if we meet just the first time and you directly ask me 你好吗 I will be a little surprised and I not feel very, very comfortable actually. So if you want to know someone, how are you? We always say 你咋样？你怎么样？最近怎么样？ Like this. How do you answer this question? Usually you will say it's okay. I'm fine. You could say 挺好的，挺好的，挺好的，挺好的。It's good. It's okay. In a polite way, no matter you're good or not, usually your answer is good. But if you want to tell your friends the truth, maybe you're not so good. Maybe it's just so. So we could use 马马虎虎，马马虎虎，马马虎虎，马马虎虎。Just so. 马马虎虎，马马虎虎。马 is horse in Chinese letters. Hu is tiger. Horse, and tiger means 马马虎虎。Just so. 我爱你，我爱你，我爱你 means I love you. 我爱你 This sentence will have a few passion on it. Usually we tell this sentence to boyfriends or girlfriends. Exactly. But usually in China, maybe it's a shy way to directly tell this sentence to each other. Exactly, if really you are sure and you have strong feeling, you would have this directly. I love you. 我爱你，我爱你。对不起，对不起，对不起，对不起 means sorry. I'm sorry. Or you could say 抱歉，太对不起了，对不起，对不起，对不起。Thank you so much for watching this video. Leave a comment. Please tell me you like it or not. Thank you. See you next time.